It's on I play it on my phone. It's Shut Up. Called War and Order. And I know. I'm always making fun of people that play these damn games. And I've tried some here and there, and I've gotten off of them within like a couple days because I'm like, man, this is stupid. This sucks. This really sucks. But yeah, man, I'm having like withdrawals. I play this game. Been playing it with this group of dudes called the Misfits. And I think that's one of the things that attracted me to him was just that name. Just a great group of dudes. And I've actually been on this fucking game for like 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. It's crazy. I shouldn't be doing that stuff. I got too much to do. But I'm doing it. So it is what it is. There you go. Rev is out there. I'm gaming, right? Is that what I ought to be doing if I'm playing this game? It's one of those. It's a strategy game. Kicking ass, taking names, stuff like that. Still learning. I'm a freaking game retard. Big time. If it wasn't for my boys, Jam, Brew, Nick. That's right. I'm naming off my gamer boys. Oh man. Oh, Biggs from England. Yeah, we got some English bands that we play on this channel. Hell yeah. Like I said, we're from all over the world. We're not from all over the world. We got music from all over the world. So keep sending it. RevsLocalRock@gmail.com. And if it doesn't suck, we will play it. When I say don't suck, it better be like this.
Undone. How did we get this far? Legacy that we left our sons. What is the price still paid? We've taken hope away. How did we choose to ignore all of the dreams are washed away? And now you can't undo real so long. And don't act like you don't care. And now you can't bring the blind to see. And don't act like you unaware. I am the blind leading the lost, and I can't find my way. I am thirsting at all costs, the starving are all they. I am hopeless for answers, the pages are all empty. And I am fearing consequences we refuse to see. And now you can't undo this alone. And don't act like you don't care. I can't bring the blind to see. Don't act like you always. taking it all away, alone, undone and unaware.
I made you, and you made me. And you made me. And you made me. And you're so unfair. You can never take it back. Take it back. Time come with time. Somewhere we're petrified. So just grind. Still you scream your shame and speak my name. Nothing's changed. It's all modified. I made you, and you made me. And you made me. And you made me. And you made me.
Baby. Oh, Leah can sing her ass off. That's Jam Pain Society, people, from right here out of Raleigh, North Kakalaki. And yes, I get asked all the time, Rev, are these really unsigned bands? Yeah, Yeah, no shit. I know it's hard to believe. That's why they need a place like this. That's why this was started. That's why I was thrown into this this abyss of freaking awesome music, because it needed a place to go. And here you go. And it needed an awesome host to play it. You got it. Right? Right? You got it. Hey, fuck you. Up your ass. Jackasses. I think I'm pretty awesome. And I know you do too. I get the emails. I only get a few hate emails. And it's usually when I rag on someone's band. So, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Yeah, I get to sit here and play awesome music, chill out, talk to you all here on this awesome Friday night. And by the way, you can listen to us anywhere. We have an app for your phone, any phone, the iPhone or the Isis Samsung. I would prefer you didn't use that because, you don't want it exploding on you and then you missing all this kick-ass music. So all you got to do is go to your game. I got game on the mind. Go to your app, download Spreaker, look up Rev's Local Rock Show. Boom. People do it all the time. I get emails or texts going, yeah, Rev, it's awesome, man. We're at the club chilling out, listening to you in line. We're out here drinking beer, listening to you before the bands come on. I love that. There's other things you can do. Because I know in my car, I can hook my phone up through my stereo system. It's USB shit everywhere. If you don't have it, then I don't know what to tell you. You probably got a car from the 90s. Plug it in there, play this shit through your car speakers. Oh, man, it's awesome. It's awesome. Guys, you play Rev's Local Rock Show, open your windows, the girls just mob to your car. Especially once this voice starts just ringing out, this angelic voice comes out. They just, so just for that, it's worth it. And how rock and roll is this? I'm sitting here cleaning my new toy. I am a gun guy too. So I went out and bought I'm looking for something for concealed carry. I went out and bought a PT-111 Generation 2 Taurus 9mm. Awesome. Freaking love it. Love it. For you non-gun people, it's all right. It's okay. I don't hold it against you. But I love it. I love it. I know I just said that. Anyway, had a lot of stuff going on because last week we didn't have a show. Like I said, I was out of town. And there was a whole bunch of stuff I had to let you know about for this show. Well, guess what? I know this is hard to believe, but the Rev came unprepared. But I did bring awesome music. So we're gonna at least do that. Gonna play some great music and talk some awesome shit to you. Because that's what we do here at Hooligan Studios. We are gonna get some bands in live. Not tonight. Don't get all damn excited. We're gonna get them here on the couch, get some acoustic stuff in. I'm gonna try to get Drayton Road in here, a couple other bands coming up with some new material, getting ready to let out some new CDs. I know some of you out of town bands like, hey man, how do we get on? When we're on tour, can we come in? Yeah, you just gotta let me know. Yeah, I can't read your minds, and I'm not following you all over the map. I don't know what you're doing. You got to let me know. If you don't let me know, I can't do shit. Okay, I just can't. I just got a text, someone ragging on me about playing that game.
You are a huge nerd.
Yeah, up yours. Hey man, I'm having a good time with it. Like I said, hey, give me a break. I don't usually do that stuff. You know me, man. I'm Mr. Rocker. Either I'm doing the band thing or I'm in here doing the radio show. Give me something, man. I know all you jack-offs out there playing your Xboxes damn 15, 20 hours a week. Probably more than that. So screw you. At least I'm interacting with people on the game. I'm not just playing an inanimate object game, just looking at a freaking screen. And I know, damn it, I know you can get online on your Xbox and your freaking PlayStations, talk to people. But I think that's my favorite part of the damn game is interacting with the guys on the game. But yeah, hey, if you want to get in on it, check it out. It's, what the hell is it called? Forgetting the damn name of the game. Play it every freaking day. War and Order.